You decided to become an entrepreneur. You started with tons of energy, but like a character in an anime full of funny scenes. You made some classic mistakes. Mistake number one, choosing a weird idea. You thought everyone would love coffee that tastes like pizza. So you opened a cafe called Pizza Coffee, but nobody wanted to drink a cup of coffee that smelled like pizza. Result? Zero customers. Mistake number two, no financial planning. You spent your money buying a super expensive espresso machine that you didn't even know how to use. Then you borrowed money and ended up stuck with bills you couldn't pay. Mistake number three, no market research. You went out on the street and asked, "Would you like to try pizza-flavored coffee?" Everyone laughed and said no, but you thought maybe it was too early and you just had to advertise more. Mistake number four, not listening to customers. A couple of people said the coffee was really weird, but you said, "No, I know this will be a hit," and refused to make any changes. That made your business slowly fail. Mistake number five, trying to do everything alone. You wanted to handle everything yourself, ordering supplies, selling, marketing, serving customers. In the end, you got super tired and forgot to send orders several times. But you didn't give up. After all these mistakes, you learned that you need a plan, listen to customers, and build a team. Now, you run a cafe with classic flavors and happy customers. If you like this story, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more fun and useful videos about entrepreneurship. See you in the next one.